Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's third online lecture of chapter number 4. And as you know already, the name of chapter number 4 is Tick Tick Tick. In our previous two lectures, we studied about clock. In that, what is 12-hour clocks, 24 hours clock, that already we studied. Now today we are going to study the conversion of 12-hour clocks to 24 hours clock and 24 hours clock to 12-hour clocks. And after that, we are going to study some sums regarding the clock. Let us see. Now, as you know already, what is digital clock? You can see here one picture of digital clock. In that they mention date, month, year, hour, minutes and second, then days and then temperature. After that they were given two options to you, AM and PM. But in most of the time you see that the digital clocks, they are not given this option to you. As well as you can see in your mobile. When you see someone's mobile or your parents' mobile, you can see that in that there is a 21, 22, 17, 15. This time of times you can see. But as you know already, in our analog clock, we can see only numbers till 12. After that, again the repetition of 1 to 12 number. But see here in another picture. Outer side you can see here 1 to 12 numbers. But this 12 till midnight to noon. But what about if the time converts in PM? At that time again there is a 1 PM, 2 PM in the afternoon. And as we know already, when we have to mention the time of 12 noon to 12 midnight, we are using PM. So see here, after 12 in this picture, they were written 13. Now this 13 represent that is the 1 o'clock of afternoon. Now this 14 represent 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now we are not supposed to write down 24. Instead of 24, we have to write down 00. This 00 represent the time of midnight. Now how these all numbers are come? Let us see here. See, as you know already, clock divide into 12 section. These all are of the section till AM. These all sections are same in AM and PM. But when there is a time in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, we can write down 1 PM. At that time, what is the time or in 24 hours clock? There is a 12 plus 1. It's a 13. Then after, if there is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, then 12 plus 2, 14. If there is a 3 o'clock in the afternoon, then 12 plus 3, it's a 15. So whenever you can see this type of numbers in the clock, so what you have to do? You have to just do the count. What's the time? Then if there is a 4 o'clock, then 12 plus 4, it's a 16. If there is a 5 o'clock, then 12 plus 5, 17. If there is a 6 o'clock, then addition of 12 and 6, it's 18. Then 7 p.m. 12 plus 7 19, 8 pm 12 plus 8 20, 9 pm 12 plus 9 21, 10 pm 12 plus 10 22, 11 pm 12 plus 21, 12 plus 11 it's a 23. Then 12 midnight. So we can say 12 plus 12 is equal to 24, but we can't write down 24. Instead of 24, we have to write down 00. So you can see in the midnight there is a 00. Whenever you see digital clock in your mobile as well as in your home, you can see exact at 12 midnight in that there is a 00. They are not write down 24. Now let us see. In a 24-hour clocks, there are no AM and PM labels. You see in many of the places they are using 24 hours clock. That picture is old. So in that they were given the option of AM and PM. But nowadays whenever you are purchase any digital clock, you can't see AM and PM labels in that. They were given direct 24 hours clock. The hours start at 0 and 0 where it is 0 in the midnight at the 12 o'clock and go through to 23. So we can say in 24 hours clock numbers start from 0 to 23. All the 24-hour clocks time should be written in HH is to mm. Now here H represent hour and M represent minute. Now in the same, as you know already, the format are same in all the digital clock. So compulsory first two digit you have to consider of hours, and after that two digit consider as the minute, and the last three digit that is your last two digit that is your second. So you can see here in the 24 hours clock the format of that clock is always in HH is to mm, means first we have to write down hours and then we have to write down minute, and H represent hour, M represent minute and S represent second. In a 24 hours clock from 12 at midnight to 12 noon, we can see here midnight to noon time, 12, 1, 2, 3, so on, till 12 o'clock in the noon, mid noon. Whereas from 1 o'clock at the noon to 12 o'clock in the midnight, there is a 13, 14, 15, etc. till 24. But as we know already, we can't write down 24. We have to write down 00 instead of 24. Now let us see here. If we want to convert 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock, how we have to convert? See here. You have to follow some step if you want to change 12-hour time to 24 hours time. The first step, if the hour is exactly 12 pm, means 12 in the noon, you don't want to change anything. Just simple, you have to remove pm. If the hour 12 am, then it's changed into 00. This 12 am represent 12 midnight. If the hour is a pm time, then simply add 12 to the hour. That already we see. Which time you have to add in 12? The time which represent pm. In another word we can say after 12 noon. We have to change that time only in 24 hours clock, means that time we have to just add in 12. So what you have to do? Just simply remember that the time which shows PM, that only you have to convert into 24 hours clock, and that number should be added in 12. Otherwise, the hours does not change. If that time represent AM, then we don't want to add that number into 12. Only the time represent PM, that we have to add only. If that number is less than 10, then what we have to do? Just add 0 before the digit. The minutes and second never change when we have to change in between 24 hours and 12 times. Let us see here some example where we have to convert 12 hours to 24 hours. See here, I am giving one time to you and you have to write down their conversion form. Whenever you have to convert 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock, please remember that thing. First two digits represent of hours, and after that you have to write down minute. And which number you have to add in 12? Only the time which shows PM. That you have to just do adding. Let us see here. Your first time is 2 a.m. Here you just see the first. They were given AM. So you don't want to add these two in 12. Okay. So here, now the second thing is that now 2 is less than 10. And whenever we convert any of the time into 24 hours clock, what we have to write down? First, compulsory we have to write down in hours 2 digit. Here 2 is alone. So what we have to write down? Before 2 we add 1 0. And after hour we have to write down the minute. So we can write down here 0200 hours. Now another thing is that whenever you convert 24 hour, any time of 12 hours convert into 24 hours, at that time you have to write down, after that number you have to write down hours. Now the same thing, just the time becomes same, but only AM convert into PM. So here, as we already know that all the time which represent PM, that we have to add in 12. So here 12 plus 2, which we have to do. 12 plus 2, 14. Now in 14 there is a 2 digit. Yes. So what we have to write down first? 1400 hours. So this you can see the number we can write down in hours. That all is the time of 24 hours clock. Then 9 a.m. See here, we don't want to change, but here only 9 is given. In the 9 they were given only one digit, that's why we have to write down 0900 hours. Another time 9 p.m. So here they were given PM. So what we have to do? We have to just change this PM into 24 hours clock, and at that time we have to add 12. So 12 plus 9, it's a 21. And in 21 two digits are there? Yes. So what we have to do? We have to just write down 2100 hours. Now see here, 3:43 p.m. This time given in PM. So this 3 we have to add in 12. So 12 plus 3, 15. And the minute, don't want to change. So just write down 1543 hours. When you convert 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock, instead of AM and PM, you have to write down hours in all. Now last example, 8:21 p.m. Again this time given in PM. So when we convert this 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock, just add these 8 into 12. So 12 plus 8, it's a 20. And minute, second, don't want to change. So write down 2021 hours. Now like this, you have to convert 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock. Now let us see the reverse. If the time given in 24 hours clock and if we want to convert this 24 hours to 12 hours, which step we have to follow? See here. The simple step. In that, instead of hours, we have to add AM and PM. If the hours is exactly 12, then what we have to write down? We have to write down PM at 12 noon. If the hours is 00, then it change into 12 and write down their AM. So this 12 PM represent, this is the time of noon, mid-noon, and 12 AM, that is the represent, this is the time of AM, midnight. If the hour is greater than 12, then what we have to do? We have to just subtract 12 from that number, and after that whatever the answer is that we have to write down. After that time we have to write down PM. If we subtract 12 from that number, then and then we have to write down PM. Otherwise, if we don't subtract any number, we don't subtract 12 from that number, then we don't want to write down PM. So just simply understand and remember, if that number is greater than 12, then what you have to do? Simple, you have to subtract 12, and after that time you have to write down PM. Otherwise, if you are not subtract, then just write down AM only. Let us see some example. Here I am giving time in 24 hours and you have to convert it into 12 hours. See here 0345. So here last two digit consider as your minute, and before that they were given 03. So this 03 is less than 12 o'clock? Yes. So what we have to write down here? We have to just write down as it is 3:45. We subtract 12 from that number? No. So what we have to write down after that time? AM. So the answer is 3:45 AM. Now here another time 22:43 hours. Now see here, last two digit 43 represent minute. We don't want to see that. We have to just see only and only the hours. How many hours they were given here? 22. So this 22 is bigger than 12? Yes. So just subtract 12 from 22. 22 minus 12? 10. So what is the time? It's a time is 10:43. And we subtract 12 from that number? Yes. So what we have to write down? PM. So your answer is 10:43 PM. Now another one. 0421. 21 last two digit, that is your minute. Now this 04 is represented as hours and that is less than 12 years. So we have to write down that time as it is. So it is 4:21 and we don't subtract 12 from it, that's why we have to write down AM. Another one 21:34. See the first two digit, that is of your hours, and this 21 is bigger than 12. So we subtract 12 from 21. 21 minus 12, it's a 9. And we subtract 12 from that number? Yes. So what we have to write down? PM. So your time is 9:34 PM. Next number 0532. Now this 05 is less than 12. So we have to write down as it is 5:32 AM. Another one 23:21 hours. This 23 is bigger than 12. Yes. So just subtract 12 from 23. 23 minus 12, It's 11, so your time is 11:21 p.m. Why here it is p.m.? Because we subtract 12 from 23, and as per the step, when we subtract 12 from the given time, we have to write down p.m. Let us see. Write the time that. Here, after the 20 minutes, see here, in this clock, the timing is 5:45. What times after 20 minutes? So see here, our minute hand, when our minute hand moves from 9 to 10, it's a 5 minute, then again 10, again 15, again it's a 20. So what is the time after 5:45? Whenever we have to write down the times of after, we have to move forward. The minute hand moves forward. So here our minute hands goes forward. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12 and 12 to 1. Now here you can see here our 20 minutes is over. So what is the time? We can say the time after 20 minutes is 6:05. Now see, before 10 minutes, whenever we have to write down the time before, we have to move backward. Our minute hand comes backward, means here from 9 to 8 and 8 to 7. So what is the time? At that time, the time is 5:35. So you have to just simple remember. Whenever they are asking what's the time after this, our minute hand moves forward, and if we want to tell what is the time before given minutes, at that time our minute hand comes backward. Now let us see some addition of time. Here what we have to do? Here we have to add 5 hours 15 minutes and 3 hours 20 minutes. So first of all, here they were given hours and minutes. So write down one side hour and minutes. Then what is the time? 5 hours 15 minutes plus 3 hours 20 minutes. Compulsory you have to add first minute. So 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 2 3, and 5 plus 3 in hours it's a 8. So we can say 8 hours and 35 minutes. See one another example. 2 hours 45 minutes and 4 hours 30 minutes. Now again draw one table, write down one side hour and minute, then write down the numbers 2 hours 45 minutes and 4 hours 30 minutes. Now do the addition of minutes and do the addition of hours. So the addition of this both number is 6 hours and 75 minutes. But as we know already, in a 1 hour, how many minutes are there total? There are total 60 minutes. Now you see here, in our answer, there is a 75 minutes. It is not possible. You can't see anywhere 75 minutes. Maximum how many minutes are there? 60 minutes are there. So just do the subtraction 60 minute. When you subtract 60 minutes from the minutes, the same time we have to add 1 in hours. Why we have to add that 1 in hours? Because From minutes, we subtract the 60. As we know already, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. That's why in our column, we have to add 1. So now just do the addition and subtraction of hours and minute individually. So first of all, just do the subtraction of minutes. 75 minus 60. So it's a 15 and 6 plus 1, 7. Now we can say that the addition of 2 hours 45 minutes and 4 hours 30 minutes is 7 hours and 15 minutes. Now do the subtraction of 5 hours 35 minutes and 3 hours 20 minutes. The same, draw one table. One side write down hours, second side minute. 5 hours 35 minutes minus 3 hours 20 minutes. Do the subtraction of minutes. 35 minus 20, 15 and 5 minus 3, 2. So the subtraction of 5 hours 35 minutes and 3 hours 20 minutes is 2 hours and 15 minutes. Another subtraction, 9 hours 45 minutes and 4 hours 40 minutes. Write down one side hour and minutes. The numbers 9 hour 45 minute minus 4 hour 40 minutes. Do the subtraction of minute. 45 minus 40. It is a 5 and 9 minus 4. That is again 5. So we can say the answer is 5 hours and 5 minutes. Thank you. I hope you all understand this all topic very nicely.